So you have, what was it? 2, 2, and 4.
2, 2, and 4.
Grade 8 boys.
Oh, God. Yep.
After lunch.
Yeah.
And the internet is down.
Oh, my Lord.
You have 3 seconds thinking time.
Mm-hmm. Right.
How would you fix this problem?
It's going to be a physical activity. All right. So whatever concept I'm studying, we're getting up and we're moving. So we're moving the tables back, we're moving the chairs back. We're doing a physical activity to do with whatever it is that we're studying. Because there's no way their energy is going to be kept on a leash. All right. So don't for a second think that giving them an essay to write straight up is a good idea. That might be the very worst idea you could possibly get because they're not going to settle. All right. Burn their energy out for a 15, 20-minute period. All right. Get them up, get them moving, get them talking, get them questioning. Then you might try to gradually settle them. And the last 20 minutes of the lesson, you might get some physical written work out of it. But you certainly aren't going to be getting it to start with. Their concentration spans will not permit it, particularly if they've just been running around outside.
I think that's going to hit it all. Grade 8 boys. What is it about grade 8 boys and all boys class in grade 8 that would change your pedagogy?
Surges in testosterone. I mean, there's 2 surges that boys have, one when they're 7 or 8 and one when they're about this age. You've got to allow for the fact that they are going to not want to sit behind a desk. The honest truth is it's controlling their physical behaviour. Year 8, year 9, around that time, some are early, some are late. They need more kinesthetic teaching. The vast majority, not all, but the vast majority do. So you look at the vast majority of the trend, what it is that's needed. With some of those that are more passive, you might give them slightly more passive roles to do in a physical activity. It might be timekeeping, it might be recording responses, whatever. But the vast majority will appreciate that physical movement.
Beautiful work. I'm going to have to give you 5 stars.
Thank you very much.
It's very off to a solid start. I think you hit every single criteria.
He's off to fire.
I think that lesson would work in my opinion. It's probably what I would have done. All right.
Thanks so much.